We're going to find some theoretical probabilities. Part A, drawing a red ace or a heart from a regular deck of cards. So I'm going to make a fraction. On the denominator, we will have all of the cards. On the numerator, I will have the ones that meet my criteria. This works because each card is equally likely to be drawn. 1 out of 52, there are 52 cards. So if I get this fraction, it's the proportion of cards that meet my criteria, and therefore the probability that our randomly selected card falls into that group. In the same way that the probability of getting an even face on a 6-sided die is 3 out of 6, because 3 of the faces are even out of 6. So how many cards are either a red ace or a heart? Or maybe both? Because both is the problem here. Don't double count the ace of hearts. Well, there are 13 hearts, plus the ace of diamonds. So 14 out of 52.